Hi friends, today I am sharing sabudana vada recipe. They tend to break while deep frying due to three reasons. 1. Excess moisture of soaked sabudana. 2. Loose binding and wrong proportion of the potato sabudana groundnut mixture. 3. Not switching from high flame to medium flame during deep frying. I have included tips for all these issues in the video. So let's start. Take 2 cups of sabudana or sago in a bowl. Add a glass of water. Wash it. Drain the water completely. This process takes off most of the starch. Again, add roughly half a cup of water and retain very little water and drain the rest. Keep it aside for 5 to 6 hours or overnight. See, now after 5 to 6 hours, they puff. Granules are non-sticky and are soft and separate. Remember, excess water can mess up the vadas. For preparing vada mixture, take 3 properly washed potatoes and pressure cook them. Add little water. Keep it on medium flame for 4 to 5 whistles to cook them soft. Meanwhile, let's dry roast 2 cups of groundnuts in a wok on sim flame. It takes roughly 10 minutes to roast. Transfer it and let it cool. Don't grind hot groundnuts. They ooze oil and makes the powder sticky. Keep the peanut skin while grinding. This adds up to the nutritional value. Grind it into a fine powder. Now take out the potatoes from cooker. A knife or fork will slide it easily if they are cooked. Now put them in cold water to quickly cool and peel the skin. Mash it and keep it ready. Keep 2 masala spoon jeera or cumin powder ready. Chop 4 green chilies. Crush them in mortar and pestle coarsely. Take a bowl. Add 2 cups sabudana, which was soaked for 5 hours. Add groundnut powder, 1½ cup. Mix it. Retain the rest of the groundnut powder for preparing chutney. Groundnut powder balances the moisture, reduces the chances of vadas breaking. Add 2 masala spoons of cumin powder and mix. Add coarsely crushed 4 green chili paste. Mix it again. Add the mashed potatoes and mix thoroughly. Add 1½ spoon of salt. The mixture should bind properly. See, like this. Roll it and flatten it like this. Shouldn't be too thin or too thick. Now, vadas are ready. Let's take a wok. Add 12 to 15 tablespoon oil for deep frying. Heat the wok on high flame. Check the oil temperature by putting a drop of mixture in it. Yes, the oil is heated properly. Turn the flame to medium. Don't put in many vadas at a time. Maintain proper distance between them while frying. Otherwise, the vadas can fall apart or break. Flip the vadas and fry both sides. Wait for sides to turn golden brown. Press and drain the excess oil and place them on a paper napkin. All sabudana vadas are ready. For a quick chutney, take 3 to 4 spoon fresh curd. Add rest of roasted groundnut powder, 2 tablespoons roughly. Add 1 spoon cumin powder. Add 1 spoon chili powder. Add 1 spoon sugar. Add 1 spoon salt or rock salt. Mix it or whisk it. If you like it more spicy, add half a masala spoon of black pepper. Sabudana vada with chutney ready. If you like this video, like and share it, and please encourage me by subscribing to our channel for more fail-proof recipes of your favorite dishes. Thank you.